this question where a regular hexagon is given to you. It can be irregular also, but any hexagon, okay, any hexagon is forming the sum of all angles of a hexagon is 720 degree, that we need to prove. So let us prove this. So the sum of all the angles, the sum of all the angles, that means this angle. Let's say, let us do the nomenclature. Okay, if this is A, this is B, this vertex is C, D, E, and this one is F, right? I hope it's visible to you. If not, I am writing it over here, F, right? So thus this is a hexagon. What is the property of a hexagon? All of its sides will be equal, then it will be a regular hexagon, otherwise it will be an irregular, right? Now we need to find the sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E and angle F, right? And we need to prove, that is, we need to prove, I am writing the question over here so that it will be crystal clear, right? We need to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F, when you add angle A with B and add C, D, E, F all together, I mean to say all these angles when added together, it will be forming an angle of 720 degree. So that we need to prove, right? 720 degree, that we need to prove, right? So how will we solving it? Let us see. So as I said into the beginning, that it can be a regular hexagon, it can be irregular also. That means all the sides can be equal and even cannot be equal, right? AB cannot be equal to BC, and it could also be equal to. For equal, it will be a regular, otherwise irregular. So just take a center. Let's assume it over here. Any point, you can take any point. It is not necessary that it should be really at the center, but you can mark any point and just connect the vertex A with this point like this, like, right? Similarly, connect vertex B with this point. Let's say this point is O, right? Similarly, connect C with this point O, right? Similarly, connect D, E, and F. All the 6 vertices should be joined over here. Okay. Now, since all the 6 vertex A, B, C, D, E, and F are joined to the center of this hexagon, we need to prove A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. All this sum of angles should be equal to 720 degree. So what we will be doing, students, let us take one of the triangle. Let's take the first triangle, triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, I am naming the angles as, like you can see. Let's say this is angle 1, this is angle 2, and this is angle 3, right? Then we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be how much? Tell me. Of course 180 degree, because here you can see AOB is a triangle. Just leave the other parts, okay? Just leave the other parts. You can see only this part. Okay. Here you can see only one triangle, right? Now, similarly, if angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 180 degree, just do the nomenclature of the other angles. Okay, I am saying that angle 2 is this one only. Angle 1 is this one only. Okay, which is the part of the triangle AOB. I mean to say angle 2 is this one and angle 1 is this one. right? And this is angle 3. I mean to say this angle is angle 3. Similarly, in triangle BOC, let's say this angle is 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, in this triangle COD, let's say 7, 8 and 9. Okay, this is 7 only. Okay, 7, this is 8 and this is 9, right? Similarly, you can consider the fourth triangle EOD. Because you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles are formed when you join the all the vertex to the center. Okay, I'm just naming the angles only. 7, 8 plus 9, 180. Similarly, 10, 11, 12. This is 12, this is 11, this is 10. All this will be adding up to get 180. Similarly, 10, 11, 12, till 12 we did 12. Then nomenclature, do the nomenclature. This has 13, 14, 15, right? Then here 16, 17 and 18. Yeah, we have almost solved this question. Let us see how quickly we are doing it. I hope all the angles are very much crystal clear to you. Okay, each and every angle. Now, as I said, I'm not writing very much in detail, but I'm writing for first triangle. In triangle AOB, I'm taking one of the example for one of the triangle. Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 180. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, right? This is for one of the triangle. We have taken this triangle. Okay, this one. I hope you are able to identify, right? Now, if this is triangle first, then in triangle second, 4 plus 5 plus 6 will be coming as 180 degree, right? Similarly, in this triangle, 7 plus 8 plus 9 is coming as 180 degree. And in this triangle EOD, you can see 10 plus 11 plus 12 is coming as 180 degree. So all this sum of all the angles of any triangle will be coming as 180 degree, and it happens 6 times. This is for triangle 1, this happens for triangle 2 also, this happens for triangle 3 also. So let me do the nomenclature. Let us see, this is angle triangle 1, this is triangle 2, this is triangle 3, this is triangle 4, this is triangle 5 and this is triangle 6, right? If these are all the 6 triangles, let me do the nomenclature with a different color so that you will not get confused. 1, 2, 3, this is third triangle, this is fourth triangle, this is fifth one and this is sixth one. Okay, so total 6 triangles with us. Okay, and sum of all the angles of any triangle is how much? 180 degree. So we will be doing the same. Since we have written 1 plus 2 plus 3 as 180 degree, when we take the second triangle, that is triangle BOC, we can say 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 180. Similarly, when we take this third triangle, then we can see 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 180. So just I am writing the same, and we will be adding all the angles of all the 6 triangles. So adding all angles, adding all angles of what? Of triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 180. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 180. 7, 8, 9 is 180. 10, 11, 12 is 180. 13, 14, 15 is 180. 16, 17, 18 is 180. So when we will be adding all the angles, right, then what will be formed? We can write angle 1 plus 2 plus, I'm not writing angle every time so that it will be congested. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 180. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 180. All these are angles. Okay. Then you can see I'm just showing one of the triangles so that it will not be confused. So I think this picture is clear to you. I'm just adding all these three angles of each triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, triangle 4, triangle 5 and triangle 6. So I'm writing it over here. 4, 5, 6 is 180. Then 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 180 degree. Right? Then 10 plus 11 plus 12 is 180 degree. Then 13 plus 14 plus 15 is 180 degree. And then 16 plus 17 plus 18 is 180 degree. Right? Just add the LHS and add the RHS. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 180 into 6. It will be 6, 8, 48. It will be 1080. It will be coming as 1080 degree into the RHS and LHS. We need to prove that the sum of all angles is equal to 720 degree. This one, right? This one, what we have written, right? This we need to prove. Now you can see, since we have written 1, 2, 3 is 180. You can see 1 and 17 will be added to form angle A. You can see angle 1 and angle 17 will be added to form angle A. Angle 14 plus 16 is added to form angle F. Angle 11 plus 13 is formed to angle E. So just make the pairs. Okay, let me squeeze the picture a little so that you will be able to correlate both the writing and picture. Yes, I think it's better. One more minute. Yes, now it's visible to you. So what we are doing, 1, you can see 1 and 17. Here is angle 1. This is angle 1. Just I'm writing using different color. This is angle 1 and this is angle 17. In place of 1 plus 17, write angle A. So this will be angle A, right? So 1 and 17 is cancelled out. Now take another one, 2 and 4. 2 and 4 will be added to form angle B. So this is 2, this is 4, cancel it. So this will be angle B, right? Then 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7. So where is 5? Here is 5, here is 7. In place of this, write angle C, because 5 plus 7 is angle C, right? Similarly, for angle D, 8 plus 10. Where is 8? Here is 8, here is 10. Cancel both these angles and in place of 8 plus 10, write angle D. So this will be angle D, right? Plus 11 plus 13. 11 plus 13, that means this is 11 and this is 13. 2 will be cancelled. And in place of 11 plus 13, this will be angle E. You can see this is 11, this is 13. When you add, this will be angle E. Plus 14 plus 16, it will be 14 plus 16, it will be angle F, right? This is F. So plus angle F equal to 1080. Now into the LHS, we are left with what? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. You can see why I have chosen such numbers so that you can easily correlate. You can see each are the multiple of 3, though it's not related over here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So where is 3? 3 is here. 6 is here. 9 is here. 12 is here. 15 is here. 18 is here. So when you add 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18, you need to add this angle 3, this angle 6, this 9, this 12, this 15, this 18. And all this is forming a complete angle, isn't it? This is a complete angle. And that's why in place of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18, I am just writing 180 degree, sorry, 360 degree, because this is the sum of all these angles. Okay. So now 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 is 360 degree, right? Now a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f is equal to 1080 minus 360 degree, right? So this is coming at 720 degree. This is the sum of the angles of a hexagon. 720 degree. We have proved it. So this is the value of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F. Okay. So this is coming to you as 720 degree. So this is your answer. In this way, you solve this question. These are very good question and very conceptual questions. I think you like this. If you find it useful, you can just like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, students. Happy learning. Bye bye.